Hello everybody, Smyrna Cowboy here. How y'all doing today? Today is November the 22nd, 2022 at 1:18 in the afternoon. I purchased this item. It's lid locks to go on the end weights, the end bars there to hold helmets. So I'm going to install these on the Can-Am Spyder RT Limited Sea the Sky Edition 2021. So here goes the install. So wish me luck. Alright, so we're going to take these off and take them out of their blister pack. Gonna do one at a time. I'll just film one and then just if you're gonna put two of them on, just do it the same way but on the other side. And on the instructions it says it takes a 5mm Allen wrench, so we'll see if that's correct or not. So what we'll do is we'll take these off. Yes, and it is 5mm. You don't have to use these. These are going to be put up somewhere. We use these. So I'm going to put some thread lock on it. It's not the permanent one, it's the blue one. So we're going to put a little dab on the threads. Let it go in there. So it goes in here. And then you reuse this thing. Then you take your 5mm, rethread it. Put this down perpendicular like that. I'll back it off just a little bit. Right there. There we go. Get it good and snug. That won't go that way. Alright. Then we take the barrel bolt. Now you don't use thread lock on this because it has a set screw at the bottom there. Screw it all the way in. And then with the provided Allen wrench that fell to the ground, we'll go underneath it and tighten up the set screw. So it don't come out. Alright. Then your helmet will be on the D-ring will be here. You just put it up here And I missed it. Yeah, this is not a take two video, boys and girls. This is a live video. Let's see where I put it. There it is. Put it up in there and push it in. Dadgummit. It's not going in all the way. Huh. Well, I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe it's not in all the way. Let me loosen the set screw. I'll be back. Well, I must not have held my mouth right. Well, I guess I screwed it down far enough where it should latch, but I got it now, I believe. There we go. We'll go ahead and set the set screw, tighten it up. I can find the shirts there somewhere. So that's pretty much it. That's how to put the lid locks on for your helmet. That goes in the D-ring. And that goes on your helmet. So that's how you put it on. You gotta remember gravity, because I lost that other one a second ago. It's down on the ground somewhere. I'll get it. But that's it. Hope it's helped you some. So there you go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, we're going to try these suckers out. Got a little run down to TSC to get some bird seed from Mrs. Cowboy and some atomic fireballs for yours truly. Yep, I love those things. They're good. It's been sort of cold down here in Smyrna recently. Guess the low this morning was like 22, but it warmed up fairly well. It's showing 62 on the Spyder, so I think it's right around 50. I just hope it's just warm. The Christmas parade, first Sunday in December. Me and my daughter Pooter, Ashton, will be decorating the bike and throwing out the candy to the little curtain climbers that are lining the streets for the Christmas parade. Well, depending on the weather, I'm hoping to do a Thanksgiving run. I always like to do that the day of Thanksgiving, to go out to the department stores and stuff to watch them be closed and having time with their families. Because, hang on a second, everybody. See what this guy's going to do. Because I worked for Kmart for many, many years. I got the heated grips and seat on. Let me turn that suckers off. There we go. I worked for Kmart many, many years, and I always look forward to Thanksgiving because we were closed, and spend time with family and have a good meal and all sorts of stuff. But about 9 o'clock that night, that's when I started dreading it, because the next morning was Black Friday. That was before the internet. Mail order was just going into full swing. Let's see here, Buckaroo, what you doing? So Yeah, about 9 o'clock at night on Thanksgiving night, I started dreading it, but I got through it over these years. There was no open Thanksgiving Day crap back then. And me being old school, like I am, an old rider on a Spyder, I absolutely refuse on putting up anything of Christmas until the day after Thanksgiving. That's how it was when I was growing up, and that's the way it'll be till I leave this mortal world. So that's that. All right, now we're at our neighborhood tractor supply store. I always like to have my butt sticking out in parking places. So there you go. Well, I'm going to go in here and see how it works out. So I'll tell you what, I'll just leave the camera running. Of course, it'll be upside down when I do this, but at least you'll know it works. So let's do this. I'll just leave the camera running. See, you have these things that go into the D-ring and then fit up there. So let's try that out. All right, if you get nauseous or anything going upside down, you may be able to skip this part. So let's see how we do. Clasp of the D-ring here. Here we go. That works out well. So that's it, I guess. This is a Smyrna Cowboy here in Smyrna, Tennessee, wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios. Just a little safety tip from the Smyrna Cowboy. If you do use these things, make sure that you get off the bike first before you put the helmet on. Yeah, found that out, so it would be a lot easier to do it that way. A lot easier. So that's it. That's all we got. So there you go. This is a Smyrna Cowboy here, leaving Tractor Supply Company, headed back to the Smyrna Cowboy Hacienda. Might ride a little bit, just to stretch your legs some. Wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios. Thank you for your time and attention.